Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open our Instagram app on our phone. And from here, we need to click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of our screen. Tap on it. And you will be able to see the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and you will be routed to the settings and activity. Now you just need to click on Account Center and it will show you these options. Now you need to look for your information and permission. You need to access that. And now here, we need to download your information. Here, download or transfer information. And you just need to click on the Instagram option. Next. And it will ask you is it all available information or some of your information. Since we just need to know who unfollowed us, we just need to click on some of your information. Now here it will ask you what kind of information you would like to download. So here we'll need to go down to connections and click on followers and following. Next. Here we'll have an option to download to device or transfer to destination. In transfer destination, we can search if it's Google Drive or Dropbox. So I'm going to choose Google Drive right now. And it will ask you to connect your Google Drive. And now I'm done connecting my Google Drive. And it will ask you the date range. So let's say last month. But you can always choose the older dates like 3 months ago or 6 months ago or at least a year ago. And click save. You will also have option what kind of format. Is it HTML or JSON? So let's just choose HTML. And the media quality. So medium, that's good. And start transfer. And it will ask you the password of your Instagram. Let me just put in my password. And here, it's stating that your information is being transferred and may take some time. So we will be waiting for this to be transferred to your Google Drive. Now, after a while, you will need to check your Google Drive account to see if they already sent you the informations. Now here you can see here Instagram logo, followers, following, start here, or recently unfollowed profiles. So you'll be able to check the recently unfollowed profile and you can see there who unfollowed you and who followed you. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.